What is up guys, Tani this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use frames in Miro. So first head over to the Miro's website, and after that if you are new, just simply sign up for free with your email or Google or Microsoft Office 365, or you can also sign up with Slack. But if you already have a Miro account, simply click on sign in and then sign in with your Miro account. Now, after signing up or logging in, you will be welcome to the homepage of Miro, wherein, as you can see, I have created some recent boards and flowcharts. But for you, I'll create a new blank board. So just simply click on blank board, and from here, you can create a new team board, but you can also create your own board by just simply clicking on flowchart, mind map, or whatever board that you want to make. Let's just say we want to make a flowchart. Click on this create team board, and after that, you will be redirected to the board editor settings. And when you are into your board, which is the flowchart board or the blank board, whatever you have chosen, now from the left side here you can see the square like icon, which is the frames icon. Click on this, and as you can see, here are all the custom frames. You can just click on this custom, and then you can make your own frame by just customizing it and by resizing it. As you can see, I am resizing my frame, and when you are done, just you can just lock in this frame. And remember guys, uh, when you create multiple frames, the frames automatically connect in Miro. You don't need to connect them manually. And this is how you can use frames in Miro. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.